Special thanks to our friends at Jealous who were nice enough to send us this sock aid kit. Inside of this bag is everything you need for assistance with putting on socks. So it has a user's manual here, all of the different pieces here. So I'm gonna have my wife try this on with putting on some socks. Let us show you how this works. All right, so how do we use this Jealous sock helper?
Sock aid kit.
Sock aid kit.
You put it on here. This helps it stick.
So we put the sock on our sock aid kit.
Grab your little ropes.
Slide your foot in. Okay.
And then pull.
Wow, all right. That's pretty amazing.
Yep, and then the other one is to help you take your sock off.
Oh.
So get it stuck into the corner and then go around and off.
Wow. All right. Well, special thanks to Jealous for sending us this sock aid kit. Thanks to my queen for demonstrating. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.